What's up guys, it's your boy G, and today I'm making this video to show you guys the power of editing using presets in Photoshop. So I'm not going to take you guys through a full actual edit, but what I will do is show you the power of what you can create when you use presets and edit at the same time for your images in Photoshop. So the image that you guys see is from a recent grad shoot that I shot down here in Baton Rouge. So as you can see, the car is pretty dope. We have Dre, he's sitting down on the ground, he posed up, he did a wonderful job, and now I'm going to take you guys through the editing process. Okay, so first off, always make a copy of your background layer in Photoshop. What you didn't see is that every time I upload an image in this program, I have it set to where it activates my camera raw filter. Now you may be asking, what is the camera raw filter? So basically what that is in a nutshell, it's Lightroom in Photoshop, which is the reason why I don't edit portraits using Lightroom, because I can do the same thing without having to change over platforms in Photoshop. So I uploaded that already, and as you can see here, hopefully, I have a couple of layers already set up. So I have those layers hidden. I just wanted to activate the background layer right now. Okay, so this is the image as shot. We shot this around 2:25, 2:30 in the afternoon. So the sun is to the image left. Okay, so now again, you always make a copy of your background layer. Okay, so you can do that on a PC using Control J. I'm not sure what you would do on a Mac. I apologize for it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is highlight that layer. Okay, so right now I am working off of the base layer. The base layer is just a way of just saying copy. Okay, so in this image, I want to account for, let me see, I want to account for the rock right here, the rock right here, which you can barely see, this rock right over here, and I also would like to account for my softbox and this pole right here. And the reason being is because I just want to have a clean image. I don't want to have these things in there. All right, so let me go back. All right, so my base layer, again, this is as shot. It's just a copy of the background layer. No preset has been added. I didn't do anything as far as from an editing standpoint. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the power of using a preset. I'm sorry, and this will take what I shot to a whole nother level. Okay, so 1 second. Boom. So now you can see that I've applied a preset, and this preset is more of a hazy, faded preset. You know, I very seldom use this preset, as most of the presets that I've created, I'm just a stickler just for having the same look. But I do like this preset. It gives it more so like a Miami vibe to a certain extent, you know. So again, this is just a preset added. Let me go back, let me turn it off so that you can see the difference. Right here, I like it. It's cool. It's not as vibrant as what we can take it to, but it's very dope out the camera. But once you add that preset, you see that you have not a totally different look, you know, but it does change. Also too, what I like about this preset is it actually lifted the shadows in Dre's face, so you can kind of see him a little bit better. Let me go back. You see he's kind of darker right there, and right here it brings up those shadows a tad bit. All right, so next I want to address those distractions that I talked about previously in the video. So again, let me get my tool. We're talking about the softbox right here, as well as the pole right here. I'm going to highlight it so you can see it. Hopefully you can see it in this version of the video. I want to address this rock right here, and this small pebble right over here. And the reason being is because you guys might say, okay, that's kind of being a little detailed. But hey, again, you know, anything that could possibly take the viewer's eyes off the subject, you don't want that in there. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. That's what I did. So right now I'm going to highlight and activate the layer that has the edit as well as the preset on top. Okay, so let me show you that. 1 second. On the count of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, boom. So now, as you can see, I clearly removed the softbox from this area, the pole and everything that was right here. They had a rock right over here, that's gone. We had a pebble right over here, and we had something right over here in the background, that's gone as well. And if you want me to zoom in on Dre, let me do that. Let me go 60%, slide it over a tad bit. As you can see right here, if I drop this out, you can see the actual difference in the preset, what the preset does right here. So let me go back, let me drop that back. Yeah guys, so yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about the image first, as well as let me know what you thought about the edit. I do see some things that I could also do as well, but hey, I just wanted to make this edit just for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the preset. Let me know what you think about the actual edit itself, and if you have a comment, please drop that below as well. Wherever you're watching this video at, like, follow, subscribe. Oh, and I forgot to say this as well. This preset is for sale, so leave me a comment below, shoot me a DM, whatever you need to do in order to get in contact with me, and let me know if you want to purchase that preset, and I'll make it happen for you. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and peace.